Character out front and cannonballs out back. This move-in ready home takes the small town charm of Bright and brings it to the next level. With nearly 1/3 of an acre, a solar heated saltwater pool, a detached workshop, and tasteful renovations under its belt. Check out my top 7 reasons why this home could be the perfect fit for you. Number 7, small town living. Bright is where you come for a little more breathing room. Less rushing, more space, more time outdoors. And this home leans right into that, starting with a backyard you'll actually want to use. Number 6, backyard and pool. Dive into your 12 by 25 foot solar heated saltwater pool and enjoy the good times. There's a hot tub as well as a deck to barbecue on and a large gazebo when you want a little shade. And with plenty of privacy and space for the kids or pets to play, it's fun for the whole family. Number 5, lovingly updated. Breathe a sigh of relief. Tastefully updated and freshly painted, a lot of the work of a home of this age has already been completed. Some updates include central air, landscaping, and flooring on the main level. Number 4, lot and workshop. This property sits on just under 1/3 of an acre with paved parking for 6 to 10 vehicles. The detached garage includes a workshop space, and there's also a 3-season art studio hobby room and wood shed. If your hobbies come with gear, you're covered. Number 3, carpet-free main floor. Inside, the main floor flows easily from the foyer to your sun-filled living room. The kitchen, dining, and living areas have high ceilings and naturally connect with large windows that keep the space bright and laminate flooring which makes cleaning a breeze. You also have main floor laundry and a front flex room which could be used as a main floor bedroom or home office. Number 2, Eden Kitchen. This kitchen sits right where it should, at the center of it all. Granite countertops give you plenty of prep space, while the open connection to the dining and living areas keep whoever's cooking in the conversation. Number 1, bedrooms and bathrooms. Upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms and a 4-piece main bathroom with shower tub combo. Downstairs, the main level gives you a 4th bedroom along with an additional 4-piece bathroom with shower tub combo. Small town pace, a peaceful backyard with saltwater pool, and a home where you'll enjoy every weekend. That's what makes this home stand out. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.